Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to give welcome.
My lord, the Honorable Chief Justice Kalpati Rajendran Shriram, Madras High Court, other Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court as well as Madurai Bench, former Judge of the Honorable High Court of Madras, friends and family of the Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. P.S. Raman, Advocate General, Mr. A.R. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General for India, all additional Advocate Generals, Mr. S.N. Mohan Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Edwin Prabhakar, Government Pleader, K.S. Mohandas, S. Ravikumar, Public Prosecutor, Government Pleader of Puducherry, all other law officers of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. V. Karthigeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Madam Priscilla Pandian, Chairman, Executive Committee, Mr. Mohana Krishnan, Mr. Bhaskar, Mrs. Louisal Ramesh, Mr. Selvaraj, the Presidents of the respective Advocate Associations, the President and Secretary and the Office Bearer of all associations at Madurai Bench of Madras High Court, all the Senior Advocate and other dignitaries, members of the legal fraternity, present media, good morning to all. As the Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, with the immense honor and the profound privilege, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our newly appointed Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Kalpati Rajendran Shriram. Today, we are gathered to celebrate the arrival of a luminary in the judiciary and a paragon of legal scholarship, integrity, and unwavering dedication to the cause of justice. After a long time, the Madras High Court is blessed with a Tamil-knowing Chief Justice, and the same adds more pleasure to all. Mother Nature has joined hands in his send-off at Mumbai and arrival at Chennai with rains, adding pleasantness to all. The Honorable Chief Justice did law course at Mumbai University and also completed LLM Maritime from King's College London. The Honorable Chief Justice got enrolled before the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa on 3rd day of July 1986 and joined a Chamber of Distinguished Mr. S. Venkateswaran, Senior Advocate. In 1997, the Honorable Chief Justice started independent practice, specializing in several special acts. The illustrious career of the Honorable Chief Justice has been marked by his appointment as a Judge of the Bombay High Court in 2013. Now the ascension of the Honorable Judge to the esteemed position of Chief Justice as endorsed by the Supreme Court Collegium stand as an encomium to the unparalleled legal acumen and a steadfast commitment to the tenets of justice. The Honorable Chief Justice is now included in the galaxy of Chief Justices of our Chartered High Court, a position that is not a only mark of personal achievement, but also a prestigious honor. Heading a Chartered High Court, one of the oldest and most respected judicial institutions, is a testament of his exceptional legal prowess and leadership. The Honorable Chief Justice is a prodigious social worker, a person serving at the top constitutional post and actively involved in a social service, serves as an inspiring beacon for the thousands of people. His commitment to social causes demonstrate that those in position of power can also be agents of positive change within the society, fostering a community-oriented mindset that extends beyond the confines of the judiciary. A quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, "Judiciary is the guardian of civilized life." We are sure that the Honorable Chief Justice will be a guardian as well as protector of the Constitution. During the tenure in Bombay High Court, the Honorable Chief Justice has delivered several landmark judgments, and they are even reported in lawyers' law reports at London. The Honorable Chief Justice has passed in order that the tariff authority for major ports is the authority to interpret the scale of rates fixed by it for services, port dues, and other charges under the Major Port Trust Act 1963, and that its interpretation is a decision and binding on the parties involved. The Honorable Judge in the case of maritime claim has held that the agent of ship seeking indemnity against the ship owner for unpaid port dues is a maritime claim, and observed that the High Court can entertain it under Section 4 of the Admiralty Act 2017. We are happy that the legal fraternity of the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry would be showered by the justice to render by the Honorable Chief Justice. In the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, the more than 1,35,000 advocates have been enrolled, and nearly 85,000 advocates are actively practicing, and 285 recognized bar advocate associations are functioning throughout the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. The bar and bench and the yin and hang of the legal system, each complementing and balancing the other, while the bench ensures justice is served with fairness and integrity. The bar advocates' rights and interests of clients will be protected. Both are essential to the effective function of the judiciary, and their harmonious relationship ensures the delivery of justice. It is through mutual respect and collaboration that the legal system thrives, promoting trust and confidence among the public. At the representative of the bar, my lord, I assure our unwavering support and cooperation to uphold the sanctity and the efficacy of our legal system. We are indeed fortunate to be guided by a leader who embodies all virtue, and we eagerly anticipate the stewardship of the Honorable Chief Justice in steering of the future of our judiciary. On behalf of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, I extend an sincere congratulations and warmest welcome to the Honorable Chief Justice. We accept the warm and cordial of the bench and the bar under your lordship. The stint as Chief Justice to be marked with the monumental of achievements. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.